All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find, if y'all could pull that file. Court is calling 2024 CR 0289, State of Texas versus Oscar Olvera. Could I have parties announced for the record? For the state?
Jason Gary.
Defense?
Jerry Valdez Jr. from Mr. Olvera.
And are you Mr. Olvera? And probation, there is an application. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Olvera, showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. Olvera, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with unlawfully carrying of a weapon with a felony conviction? That is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere.
This is what's known as the rights admonishment section. The judge is walking the defendant through every constitutional right he is about to give up. Why? Because the court needs to make sure the plea is airtight. No confusion, no loopholes. And look at the pacing. The judge is making him confirm every single line. That's not just formality, that's legal insulation.
From 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Olvera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,500 fine. No application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. This is to run concurrent with 719380. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 3577. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 220 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Angelica Donez, Donez, and Jose Garza, or the location at Artego Street.
And here's where the plea deal machinery kicks into high gear. Everything from no contact orders to supervision terms gets lined up like dominoes, and one wrong move knocks everything over. This section shows you how a plea isn't just a yes to guilt. It's a contract with dozens of strings attached. Miss one condition, and the whole agreement can collapse instantly.
ARTEGO. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, State, you may continue to confer. Showing you do y'all have the dismissal? Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. He's been in custody 171 days, Judge. While he's been in custody, he has been taking drug counseling classes. He's finished the cognitive skills course while he's been in custody, Judge. And we're asking the court to grant him probation, but we still have that County Court 11 case that he needs to take care of, hopefully today, if not this week.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
Well, right now, I mean, I wasn't employed, but I was looking for a job. So I
How long have you been without employment before being taken into custody on this date?
like 6 months.
All right. So according to this, you were looking for your children?
Yeah.
That's either yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And how old are your children?
12 and 11.
All right. So you hadn't been paying child support for them, obviously, because you didn't have employment, right? Before you go looking for your children, you need to have your life in order. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This was what the court is going
The moment everyone watches for, sentencing time. The judge's tone shifts from questioning to commanding. And notice something dramatic. Despite the serious charge, the court leans toward probation with conditions rather than full prison time. But don't relax yet. The list of restrictions is about to get long, detailed, and intense. This is where the stakes really reveal themselves.
to do. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $2,500 fine. That is to be probated. This is run concurrent with 719380. Take in consideration 2024 CR 3577. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. The MRT course in a parenting classes. 220 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived upon completion of the parenting classes and MRT. Proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Angelica Donez and Jose Garza, or the address at Ortega Street. You're just not allowed to go on Ortega Street, Artego. Do you understand?
Your Honor, may I address that? They are neighbors. He's been staying there with his father, so I told him he's gonna have to avoid that family, but he does live there.
State, you want to address the issue with the no contact?
Well, Judge, on that particular address, 326 Ortega, he went onto that property.
Okay.
We prefer at least not to enter that property or even not knock on the door or anything like that.
All right. So there's to be no contact with that property. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be No unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be field visits one time per month for 3 months. Then at probation's discretion. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? I'm sorry?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing that issue, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Excuse, Judge.
Yes. Eric Kelly.